Oh my goodness, is that a little robot bird? Okay. So there's a campaign. I'm not sure if it remembers my progress or not. Um, but the thing about this is you not only play levels in Linkito, you can also create levels and send them, submit them for the community. Um, that level of the week looks like just diffusing a bomb. I'm like, no thanks. Not today. No. Let's see here. So options, I think we are good. Ooh, chill mode. I am always about a chill mode. Vibration? Sure, okay. Audio? I feel like that remembers because I definitely set my audio to that. So, yay. All right, windowed. Screen shake. What? There's a... What? There's a Twitch module? Bear with. Linkito has Twitch integration, enabling viewers to interact directly with the game. A dedicated campaign is based entirely on this concept and is played in cooperation between the streamer and the viewers. Okay, we will play this tomorrow because it actually has a dedicated campaign, but they suggest that you familiarize yourself with the game beforehand. So we'll look at this tomorrow. So yeah, I love that both of the games that I chose have Twitch integration. But for now, let's just look at the campaign. Oh, this is the lottery to choose a citizen who becomes an employee. Oh. So yeah, the idea of the game is that you that basically everything around this is crappy. The Albatross Tech chooses citizens through a lottery to become employees of the company to improve their lives. And there may be some more sinister things going on. But our boss, Mr. Morgan... Ah, there you are. You look a little lost, but believe me, the worst is over. It's perfectly normal to experience a little memory loss. You've just been through your assignment ceremony, the most important event in the life of every employee citizen. You're the winner of Albatross Tech's annual lottery. Our wonderful president, William Kane, has allowed you to join our ranks. Show yourself worthy of such a privilege. But forgive me, I haven't introduced myself. I'm Mr. Morgan, your supervisor. I'll be taking your assignment test today. That way we'll know which branch you'll be most effective in. Hey, Base, welcome on in. We're in the Albatross Tech Assessment Center in the heart of Albatown, the last haven of peace on this planet. This is where we'll be conducting your evaluation. Would you like me to refresh your memory first? Yes. I thought so. Your memory will gradually return, but I'll remind you of a few details to help out a little. You're on the only continent... Sorry. I read ahead and I'm like, dang. You're on the only continent that wasn't wiped off the map after the Great War of 1890. Yes, we're the descendants of the last survivors, and thanks to Albatross Tech, we've been able to rebuild and reclaim this ruined continent. You come from the Forgotten Lands, the lands Albatross Tech left to the poor ignoramuses who wouldn't join the ranks of employee citizens. Given the horrendous living conditions and the thousands of requests from these forgotten ones to join our ranks, William Kane, our beloved president, has created a great annual lottery. Every year, we allow a forgotten one to join our paradise. You made the right choice entering it. You've left poverty behind you now. Right, first of all, let's start with a quick tour of the company before moving on to the assignment tests. If you're up to it, you'll probably start out in this repair workshop. The more you progress, the more interesting assignments you'll be given. Ooh. Right up to designing your own systems worthy of the greatness that is Albatross Tech. You'll learn how to create your own solutions and machines, everyone's benefit. Some of our activities are a little more sensitive, as we sometimes get targeted by a group of anarchist terrorists, the Hummingbirds. They are against order and want to see our beautiful Alba town in total chaos, so you'll have to prove yourself before I talk to you about it. I hope at least that you'll be more loyal than your predecessor. Yikes. But enough chit-chat, it's time for the assignment tests. Now it's up to you to impress me, and it won't be easy. I'm curious to see how a forgotten one does. Okay. Your role at Albatross Tech will depend on how well you do in today's tests. If you do well, you may be able to join my department, but don't get your hopes up. I only take the best. Let me show you how our devices work. It's my friend telling me that he's heading out. Excellent. Let's start with the basics. I assume you know how to create a connection? Okay, so we drag output to input. Here you have to create a connection and press a button. I'm counting on you to get it right the first time. If it were up to me, we wouldn't give you such easy tests. Okay, so again, that's from here to here, and then press the button. Okay. Of course, you can only plug in one connection per socket, so you'll have to disconnect some to create new ones. Click on the end of the connection to remove it. Okay, so we remove it from here. Oh, we have to hold it. My bad. I like that it forms a little soldering iron when you move the connection. We've added red connections to make sure nobody removes them. We don't want newcomers messing up the systems. Okay, so the post-it note says never remove a red wire. So that's a no-no. But we are going to connect this button to this so that we can then power. We need to flip this switch, so we got to power the switch and then press this button. All right. Sometimes you have to duplicate the signal. It's like a power strip, but maybe you don't have one of those at home, forgotten one. Okay, now you're being a little bit shitty. So if I turn this on, it's going to do that. Oh, hold on. What if I just do this? Oh, okay. This is a block that can either let the signal through or not. It's controlled by the input at the top. Okay, so if I click on this, it lets the power through. Oh, but I have to hold it down. So this is not a toggle. Okay, so I need to connect this to this because this little dealie is creating power, but I also need to allow the power through. Okay. With these blocks, you should begin to understand how the logic works. Okay, so if I turn this on, that allows power through. I wonder if I can leave that on while I make my connections. Okay, let's disconnect this. connect that to that. Connect that to that. And connect that to that. Okay. You're going to get zapped. Maybe. There are also generators that you can switch on and off as required. I'll leave you to experiment. Okay, so the generator, I remember the generators. It basically builds up power, so I don't always have to be touching it. Okay, so that's just one connection. Alright, so if I click this... Okay, but what I need to do is I need to disconnect that, and actually I need to click this. Alright, so that generator is going. Now, if I connect this to this... Okay, so they work independently of each other. And we get an evaluation. I like the scan, not the Scantron, but the printer paper aspect of this is very nice. Even with the perforations down the side, it just makes my Generation X heart so happy. All right, continue. Time to prove yourself. We're about to start the assignment test. Get ready. Okay, I like that you can ask for help, but I refuse to ask for help. Like, how dare you? Okay, so this button, we'll turn that on. So I'm going to have to remove this connection here. And take it to this. Exam? I don't care about that. I just want to do this. Yeah. Like, I don't care about the sign. Like, we got an achievement. You proved yourself worthy of winning the lottery. Thanks. Okay, take your card. The card has my Steam picture on it and a little QR code. I think you actually get a achievement for going to the going to the link on the QR code. Let me see here. I'm pretty sure you do. Maybe. Or do you just get... Congratulations on finding this Easter egg. You can win some digital goodies and a role on Discord. Send this code. Okay, so there's an actual code that you send in the game Discord channel. That's clever. That's cute. Okay, so we've been able to we can go to repair. Okay. A little post-it notes. Okay, I'm wondering if the post-it notes are from somebody else, because Mr. Morgan doesn't seem to be very helpful. Well done, you're actually doing pretty well for a forgotten one. I've got a vacancy on my engineering team, as it happens. You're going to join my department, but don't rest on your laurels. You'll still have to prove yourself. This is your first assignment. You start at the bottom of the ladder, but if you're efficient, I'll give you more interesting assignments. You've received your recognition card. It'll give you access to Albatross equipment. It manages your authorization level using a point system. The higher your score, the more access you'll have to the various Albatross tech sites. So, this is Albatown. Prove yourself and you'll earn points that will increase your value to the company to make sure that you're a great asset. Asset to the company. This will give you access to other jobs spread across our various infrastructures. Okay, so These are places that we can't get to yet. All right, let's go to repair. This is the little electronics workshop where our empire began. We kept it because it was here that William Kane created his first prototype. You'll be working here to begin with, repairing various devices used by our employee citizens. Okay, so there's not a lot to fiddle with. Oh, there is. Hold up. What's that? Oh, a microfilm. Oh, I should have been looking for secrets. Okay. Got it. So there are also secrets. Nice. Now I gotta click around to see are there more secrets. We found a cube. Okay. Okay, so let's go to 1 of 1. With great booty comes great stocks. Raven Oswald, your predecessor, is no longer here. Well, that's so Raven. But she has left some post-it for her replacement. Just remember. Just remember. Okay, well, looks like we gotta power this. Okay. Great potential. If you keep this up, you should climb the ladder quickly at Albatross, but don't get complacent just yet. Repair this toaster. Our employee citizens need to be able to eat well to be able to do their jobs efficiently. See that magnificent generator? It's central to Albatross technology. It generates power once it's switched on. Okay, so we have to power the generator. Now, I can disconnect this and the generator will still keep going. So this gives me a second power source. So let's connect this to open up the case. Oh, interesting. I have to hold the button down. Okay, so we don't want that. We want to connect this to this to keep it open. Then we connect this to this. I like that it doesn't matter if your circuits overlap. And then we press the button to start the next generator going. Hey, we got toast. I like that we're just repairing a simple machine. I'm not sure how, but we did it. Information, my dear. Nothing is less important. Everyone must have something to receive Monsieur Kane's press releases on. Okay, so a TV. This is interesting. It's a metronome. So if I stop it when the thing has power, then I'm good. Do I need you at all? Because shouldn't I... Now, surely I can just do this, right? Yes, that is the life that you are expected to have. Okay. I think the other thing is, like, there definitely is more than one way to solve a level, but you're always wondering, like, did I leave something behind? Should I be doing something else? At Albatross Tech, presentation is everything. You should also be taking care to look good. Okay, so I'm going to see what this is, because I'm curious about what's going on here. Connect, disconnect. Oh, okay. Ooh, microfilm. So I think what I need to do is I need to connect things up first. And then it won't matter. Okay, so it won't matter that I can't see it once I disconnect this. So now I need to... That's on. And that's on. So yeah, now I'm connecting something I can't see. Optimal working conditions. That's what we offer at Albatown, and we make all the necessary equipment available. Ducky! Quack, quack. Attractive duck. I got a second achievement. Quack, quack, quack. What are you doing with that plastic duck? This is the game now. Okay. Alright, so first let's see what's inside this case. Okay. We need to... This is going to be a straight shot across with the power, but first we need this button. Okay, so this button will flip the switch. So all I got to do is power it. First. And once I've turned it on, I can disconnect the power so it stays on. And now I connect this to this, and it should start filling up the... Okay. Alrighty. Next, you'll need to learn some basic logic. It's easy. Just let us guide you through it. Okay, so we have a signboard here that says, the AND gate lets current through when both inputs are powered. Okay, so let's... Oh, sorry. Oh, I can't... Oh, I see. I see. So both of these have to be powered. So first off, I need to power you. Okay. And then I need to power you. Okay, so I only need to get a little bit of power to the generator to keep it going. And then this is an active button, so... Yeah, okay. Oh, the OR... Oh, no worries. Pancakes sound delightful. The OR gate lets signal through when one or both. Okay, so... Okay. Ooh. The XOR gate lets the signal through when only one input is powered. So if I delete a connection... But it needs to be the AND. Okay, hold on. Interesting. Okay. So my job is now to fill the gauge. Alright, so this only works when one is powered. And I can't touch the red wire. Sorry, I can't disconnect the red wire. So remove this. And that powers that. This is an OR. But I need an AND. Oh, wait a second. That needs to be up for this. But... Oh, okay. I see what I need to do. I see what I need to do. All right. Let's disconnect that. Disconnect that. Let's connect this. And then connect this here. Disconnect that. Since it's on now, it doesn't need to be flipped up anymore. And then connect it down here. Yeah, it is... It's the logic part of it. So far, nothing has felt super punishing. I'm sure the levels will get harder. But yeah, adding in the AND, the OR, and the XOR is like, oh, now we are doing programming. Okay, you'll get a few extra points for good behavior if you complete this task. Okay. Have I not been behaving well? Trying to get... I hope everything goes well with surgery. I've done the prep for surgery many a time, so I can probably relate a little bit. Okay, so if I click this button... Okay, so this only likes one coming through it, and we've got a fixed one, so let's disconnect you. So that'll power that gate. I need a generator to come here and power you. So that's got an AND. What if we like being naughty? I mean, look. You move up the ladder. Take your card. Okay, we've moved. We can move to the laboratory. Great, you're more resourceful than I was thinking. Now we can get down to business. Now I'm going to give you a choice. You can stay here and continue working on the various jobs here, or you can walk out the door and join our laboratory. Don't worry, you can always come back to complete the remaining tasks later. Would you like to join the laboratory now? No, we're going to stay here. A conscientious employee citizen. Wow, I got an achievement. I like to finish my work properly. Okay. Let's get on with the rest of the repairs. Oh, what? The next 4 jobs are a little more difficult. If you feel up to the challenge, then just go for it. But don't forget that you can go through this door to another site and come back later to complete them. Okay, this inverter is easy to understand. Okay. So if power is... So essentially, it reverses things. If there's no power flowing in, then power is flowing out. If there's power flowing in, then no power is flowing out. All right, our generator's powered. So... Hold on. Okay, so there's no power coming into this, so somehow miraculously it's got power flowing out. I don't get it. But we power this over here, and that pulls in through... Okay. Extra work. It'll be paid for with a meal ticket. I do appreciate the dystopian kind of feel here. Alright, let's see what's inside this. Okay. Okay, this is on, so I can leave this alone. This needs an AND, so it needs all 3 of these need to be powered. What if I do this? And then what if I do this? And then what if I do this? Wait, what just happened there? Oh, that flipped. Oh, interesting. Okay, that's down, so I don't need it active anymore. Here's a pizza, please don't form a union. Ooh, that's real. Okay, that one got down. Okay, so I have to feed power to them to get access to them. Thank you, Brick, because I'll be talking and forgetting to drink. I have to feed power to them to flip that up so I can access them and connect them. Once I've done that, I can take the power away because the connection's still flowing. So that frees up this third one. To fill the bar. Oof. Okay. Okay, so this is an output selector. Selecta. So I can change from one to the other. So oh, if I power the selector, then it will. Okay, so hold on. You go there. You go there. If I click you on, oh, interesting. Okay, so let's not do that one. Let's move you down here. Okay. That's power, but it's not powering. Hey, Sakana, welcome on in. All right, what happens if I do this? Okay, so that sends power over. Okay, I think I see. Sorry, buddy, I need you. All right, you go there, and then you go here. Now, yeah. See, it tricked me because I thought that, normally you don't really affect... Ooh, little robot? Normally you don't affect what's like the teaching thing, but anyway. We're about at time. I don't know what you are. Oh, I see. You are even more of a selector. Okay. We are at time, so I'm going to hop back out to the main menu. Yes, I'm sure. And yeah, so Linkito is also out available now in Steam. Where's the store page? So if you're curious, check it out. And it has a Twitch integration mode, which maybe we'll look at tomorrow because apparently it lets us both kind of work on the level. So I'm curious about that. But for now, I'm going to wind it down. I got to get dressed and head out to get some foods. But I appreciate you all being here. Let me exit out of the game. Yes, I would like to leave. Sorry. Sorry about it. Okay. So this is from PlayDigis for Linkito. How to connect the game on Twitch. Linkito has Twitch integration, enabling viewers to interact directly with the game. A dedicated campaign is based entirely on this concept and is played in cooperation between the streamer and the viewers. So we have played the first act for a tutorial, so we'll continue that. But let's see here. Options, module, Twitch module, add, Twitch nickname, enter your Twitch nickname, enter the name of your channel, which for me are the same, I guess. And OAuth, active. Okay. Then the dedicated Twitch campaign can be found in the special levels. Each. Oh, oh. Okay. So you should see Twitch messages directly. You should be that. On the first page, you can check whether the connection is working. You should see the Twitch chat messages directly in the game. You can then launch the campaign. Each level of the campaign uses different mechanisms for interacting with the chat, but in general, the words you need to type to trigger the mechanisms are visible on screen. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we're definitely going to try that. Let me only uncooperative viewers. Wow. I one day do want to find a game that that lets chat troll me like in a fun way, not in a frustrating way, but in like a fun way. Let me put on my controller. Let me also put my phone on the charger because after this I'm going for brunch with some friends. We're going to go to the pizza place that's down. It's down-ish the street from me, but they do a lovely, nice little pizza and bottomless brunch. And it's just a chill, like, it's very chill. I usually go there with a book and have cocktails, and that's... yes, Stephen. Exactly. Hold on. I've got everything is tangled up here. I've got too many charging cables and too many devices. So, okay. We were in the repair lab. Oh, there was one more level left. So, and it was a bonus. So let's see if we can finish this next level. Are you kidding me? Okay, so we got to fill this gauge. There. Whew. Okay. All right. So. Ah, good. You can see my cursor. Excellent. All right. So this block here will be powered when there is only one coming into it. This block here is powered when there are two coming into it. So first off, let's remove one of these connections. And that will power this box down here. Okay. This is also a button, so it has to be manually pressed. I like the of it. Okay. So what I should do is I should actually reconnect this here. Now this is interesting. Because this appears to... Huh. Okay, you know what I think I'll want to do first? Let's see what happens if I do that. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Hey, Tony, welcome on in. So these little doohickeys here are generators. So we can get them, if we can get them powered once, we can get it making power forever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect you, and I'm going to disconnect you. I'm going to use this button here to try and get power to my little generator pal up here. And yeah, it's very much a electronics logic kind of thing. Ooh, I just had a little... Hold on, I'm going to have something to drink because I just had a little migraine spike. Pardon me. That is no fun. It's like the little committee inside your head just decided to all bang on the window at the same time. Oof. Owie. No, Tanya, you do get a status little sheet at the end that shows you how long you took and how many connections and reconnections, etc., that you made. But from what I can tell, I did have chill mode on. I turned on chill mode like immediately, so it probably doesn't show the timer. But no, hold on. Back. Just wanna. Okay. Okay, so I believe that if I press this, okay. Now I have been able to power the generator. So I'm going to leave. I'm going to disconnect all this because I don't need this anymore. Because this generator here is going to continue producing its own power. Yeah, if it were timed, I wouldn't not play it, but I would be less inclined to play it because I don't like timers. Okay, now I can go back to my original plan because we have this box here is an AND, so it's got to be powered. We're going to take, let's see. Okay, we're going to pop you in here. We're going to pop you in here. That will power this box when I press the button. And we're going to pop you in here. Yeah, it is very, it's, I wish I could zoom in better. Because, yeah, the circuits have an, I guess they're probably color-coded as well. But yeah, blue is an AND, so that means that both of these have to have power coming in for this circuit to send power out. The XOR means only one of these, so not both. And there are some that are OR, which mean that it's and or. It's weird. Okay, so if I press this button to send power, yes. Hey Puka, good morning. So you do get a little printout at the end, which I love the printer paper style, and it will tell you how long you spent on the level. I'm not that concerned with how long I spend on a level because, yeah, exactly. I don't need somebody sitting behind me with a stopwatch trying to be like, are you done yet? No. Especially because I'm a streamer. I'm talking to chat. Screw your timers game. Yeah, the fact that they got the holes, the perforations, they did a little bit of the paper tone. Like, it's so good. It's really, really good. Okay, so hey, Stephen, good morning. That was all of the levels in here. So let's look at the laboratory and see what like one puzzle's like, and then we'll see if we can do the Twitch integration. Let me introduce you to Susan, one of our most brilliant engineers. If you have a question, she'll have the answer. But try not to bother her for nothing. As you know, productivity is sacred at Albatross. Welcome to the lab, comrade. Happy to have some help designing Albatross's more expert systems. Alright, first off, is there anything to mess with? There's an apple. Oh, I can... Aha, there's some microfilm. Oh, I missed one. Alright, so we gotta try all the drawers. There's a secret... Oh, another cube. There's a secret level in here. Secret level. There's another apple. And there's another microfilm. I like that. They sneak the stuff in there. It's very cute. Okay. Alright, let's have a look at what a laboratory level is like. Here's an important concept you're going to need here. It's a delay function. What is a delay? Usually it's just vamping for time, but okay. Okay, so a delay, so this is an active. If I push this down, power flows from this to this. It's got a 2-second delay on it, so let's see here. So I can hold power in there for 2 seconds. Okay. They perhaps did not expect me to use it like that, but... They're like, why did we let this person win the lottery? Why did we do that? All right. So very basically, I want to connect power here. Okay, so that's the direct connection. That's not going to work. What I need to do is I need to flip this switch. But I can only flip it when the thing is up. So what I need to do is I need to send power through it on a delay. So this will give me, I'm assuming, a 4-second delay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, as you go, okay. Wait a second. Enjoy the lurk. For now, let's start with the simplest type. This is our Albat signal. We don't have any mass vigilantes in Albatown, but our rapid response center would be more than a match for them if we did. Wait, you have an a bat signal? You have a bat signal. Repair the signal to keep our employee citizens safe. It's a bat signal. Okay, this is interesting. I don't know what this does. Does this connect to that? Oh. Oh, that's interesting and evil. Okay. Okay, that's got connected. So I don't need to worry about this connection anymore because I've got the connection over here. Now I just need to get that done. Oh, it won't. Oh, evil. Oh, you are evil. So I have to... So that won't... I can't lift that without that. Oh, okay. All right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's not gonna, it's not quite gonna do it. Oh. What if I send... Okay, what if I send delayed power to this. No. Okay, so the button can't lift unless that's up. The problem is the delay function doesn't really... Unless I'm missing something vital about the delay function because I was not paying attention and kind of messed with it. If I click this once... 4 seconds. 4 seconds. If I hold it down, it doesn't... Okay, it doesn't change. Okay, so I completely... I had not Oh. Okay, so I didn't quite process. I still had to hold the button down. I could send a charge through, but it was a limited time charge. So if I held the button down, it would still delay it. I just had to get all of the things set up ahead of time. Okay. Ah, the famous Fitzlow. Nobody knows what it's for except William Kane, but that shouldn't stop you from maintaining it. Okay. Do I even want to know what's all in here? Probably not. Okay, so that one's powered, and it's fine. What I need to do now is I need to power both of these. All right, hold on. So that's on an 8-second delay. And here's where the timing kind of works against me. Hey, Base, good morning. The timing kind of works against me in that I'm not super... I guess I could use the mouse for a little faster. I'm not super fast at making these connections. So let me see here. This is connected to that. So that's a straight shot. If I connect this to that, I've got about 8 seconds. Because you can't connect, you can't just connect rope wires. I've got 8 seconds, and then it sends over here. So it sort of holds it. We are truly getting linked in. Boo! And this is all, like, this is on off. This is always going. So that's always going to send power flowing somewhere. It feels like this should be... feels like this should be connected here. Okay. That's now constantly going. That would be going. Okay. Okay. So... Yep, wait for it. Oh, damn it. I'm not doing it right. Essentially, like, I'm needing to split the signal, but... okay, you know what? Now is a good time to not do this. Is there a help button? I don't know what it did. Okay. I think now, because my brain will have fun cracking this later, we will go back to the menu. Yes, I'm sure. And let me get the Twitch chat set up, or the Twitch mode set up. Alright. Allows you to connect to Twitch chat and receive messages in real time. Please enter the channel name. Apparently... oh, it won't be readable live. Good. Okay. So, me. Same. Okay. Oh my goodness, that is quite that's quite a password. Am I connected? It says it's activated. All right, this is additional content, a demo mode for trade shows, a special demo mode for trade shows, nice. A demo mode, a special campaign with Twitch integration, and lots more to be added over time. I'd recommend finishing the campaign before tackling the additional campaigns, as the difficulty increases quite a bit. We'll see. All right, so for... ooh, are there... okay, so... yeah, there's stuff you can interact with on the various screens, and I'm like... there are 4 lights. Okay. Always a ducky. Okay, so the first level is supposed to be just testing that chat works. Ooh. Okay, hold on. You should... okay, before launching the campaign, you should see the messages appear here. To get Twitch to work, go to Options, Modules, Twitch, and configure the module until the LED is green. Okay, it appears to be working. Somebody else say something. Okay. That does appear to be working. Something. Something! Whee! Okay, oh, wow. Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay, so this is the kind of the beginning. Once again, gotta play with the ducky. Okay, we drag here. It's even telling us here. Oh, wow. Okay. Too much enthusiasm. All right. Can somebody help me out with this? Thank you. Oh, it's timed. Shoot. Oh. Okay, so I need 2 generators powered. One is A and one is B. Actually, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Wait, does it know which one I did? Nope, sorry. There was something else there. So, nope, sorry. Nope. There was something else there. Okay, so we're going to do this one again. Next. Okay, this one is open. And then after we get an open, hold off before typing anything else. Okay. What does close do? What the heck? What? What the what? What did you... Wait, Okay, so I can't disconnect it from anything else, but... Mm-hmm. Wait, this looks different. This looks... Wait, this looks different than the one I thought we were going to go do. Yes, I'm going to get up and stand in a minute. Quit it. Okay. Okay, so we have... Alright, so this is going to spawn a little robot buddy. We got a door to let them through. I have an active button to stop them from walking into acid. And move is the instruction that they will need. Move is the instruction that they will need to move forward. Okay, so if I do this... First, they need the instruction of move. Apparently, it needs a little more. A little more. A little more. Apparently, come on, chat, we have to like to move it, move it. I'm not singing the whole song. I'm not getting DMCA'd over that. Okay, we're past the danger. Now we just gotta move my little buddy towards the door. It's okay. There's gonna be a lot of lag. It is okay. I think I turned off unique chat mode the other day for raid messages, so hopefully that'll be okay. So yeah, we need a door and a move. Oh, so close. So close. Oh, this is brilliant. This is brilliant. Okay. I think that's close enough. And then one more move and we have it. This is great. because it's not real time. It's not instant. This is fabulous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like let me make sure that unique is off because let's see here. That's not going to help. Unique chat off. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. But there was definitely a special something. I've also noticed that actually, interestingly enough, my so when I'm on iPhone and I'm using the mobile chat, mobile Twitch chat, it doesn't capitalize anything for me. Yes, if anybody is contributing to chaos, it is Chaotic Wholesome Presents. Okay, so this button sets, this resets. Oop. Okay. Okay, so we're definitely... Do I have a button to reset? Okay, so we definitely need open to see what we're working with. So let's have one open and then everybody hold for a sec. This feels like playing the game keep talking and no one explodes. Or keep talking or nobody does. Something like that. So let me see here. All right. Okay. So now that it's open, I'm going to disconnect this because I'm not sure yet what we're going to do. I assume that this will be a powered thing and I can do that. And then that. No. Or does it power the entire box? Who closed it? Okay. Can someone type power? Oh no, this is ridiculous. Okay. Oh, there's a little bird. But be careful, the birds aren't real. Otter, thank you very much for that gift sub to Chaotic Wholesome Presents. I appreciate it. Okay, so the job is to keep all 4 LEDs lit. What LEDs? Because, yeah, once these get going, they're all generators. So they'll just keep on going with power. Oh, you can turn them off again. Oh, this is interesting. So if everybody started typing too fast, it would turn them on again. Off. Okay, hold on. Let's do this again. So yeah, if everyone like, you know, like all like 3 people tried to type A, it would go on, off, on. Hey Sakana, good morning. And thank you for that gift subs. I appreciate it. So yeah, y'all have chaos with this. We just need 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D. Type at your own content and your own pace. Yeah. Not F. F's in chat for that. I will say this is much easier to understand the Twitch chat integration than the other game that we played. And I appreciate how utterly chaotic this is. Because, you know, you're not watching me in real time. There's a little bit of a delay, and that delay is going to be different for everybody watching. It doesn't matter how fast my internet is or your internet is. There's always going to be something. So this is great. And the other ones were simple. A word just turned them on. There wasn't a word to turn them off. These are like, oh yeah, no, it's on or off. So y'all got to get in formation. Speaking of formation, did anybody see the Section 31 movie teaser trailer? Because, girl, I am so ready. Yeah, I don't watch a lot of what comes out of SDCC, but Star Trek, their Paramount Plus account on Twitter was doing the good. They were posting some pictures, not too many spoilers, and some trailers. And yeah, both the Strange New Worlds trailer, the Lower Decks trailer, and the Section 31 trailer teaser are out. There was some news about Starfleet Academy and news about another upcoming comedy series, so I'm looking forward. I see the things popping up and down. You are not going to get banned for spamming. I won't allow that. So this feels like we need we almost need like all 4 to hit. So do we need 4 people to like pick one? Let's see, who are the active folks? Because, okay. Because even if we typed him in like real fast, I don't think it's going to work, right? No. Interesting. So do we need it do we need simultaneous? Also, what's going on with this plasma ball? No? All right. Okay. In sync. Trying not to make the joke. Okay, so let's see here. Well, wait, if I type... So let's see, if I type in alpha, but then type it again... Okay, so this is actually... This is much more of a spamming type thing. Sadly. So yeah, everybody who's been typing and is willing to type, if we can get everybody to type in sequence, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta. And let's see if we can get that going. So I'll 30 second same message cooldown for the same word. Aha. Interesting, because I don't. I could. Okay. All right. Is it okay? So apparently that I can't turn off. So I can turn off. Okay. So they knew. They knew. They were like, "Oh, we know how Twitch chat works. We know you're not going to be able to just type it over and over again. We know." Okay. So then what I will ask is that we try to do this, everybody in your own time when we're starting. You know, type in sequence, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta. Either, you know, at your own speed as well. Like you can do a breath between or as fast or etc. And I will also do the same. Hey, J.A., welcome on in. We are trying to, this is fun, trying to synchronize Twitch chat, which of course is on a different delay for everyone. And to do so, when Twitch chat types in any 4 of these words, it powers this generator, which is sort of on a countdown time. But if multiple people type the same word at the same time, it keeps that charge going. So all right. Okay. This is all right. I've got Alpha, like, okay, so I'm going to ask everybody in sequence, when you see me type Alpha in chat, everybody prepare. When you see me type Alpha in chat, I'm going to type Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, and I'm going to repeat that sequence myself. I would ask that everybody else also type Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta in sequence, because it sounds like you can't, but you have to kind of space it out, because I think 30 seconds is going to be the limit here. So I may also be able to cheat because I'm the streamer, so I can probably type things without being out. But all right, I'm going to hit enter on Alpha, and we're going to go for this, and we're going to try it, because this is hilarious. 3, 2, wait, is it go on? Is it on go, or is it one? No, 3, 2, 1, and I am hitting enter on Alpha. Yes! Take that, you puzzle. Whoo! Yes, spamming 1. I love that. That's so ridiculous. Wait a second. Wait, what? Wait. Find the 3 numbers. If you don't, you'll have to start all over again. There are no numbers over... How dare you? How dare you? Red alert. Come on, y'all. We're trying to find numbers here. Okay, so. That's 1. It does sound exactly like the Star Trek Red Alert symbol. Okay, but I don't... Oh! I got it. Okay, so A is 3. Okay, so let's go back to... Oh, okay, wait. Okay. All right. Okay, first off, that's... Okay, you know what? Stop that. Okay, I'm resetting things. So I understand now. I'm gonna reset. Everyone hold off on or don't. But what's gonna happen is when the number is correct, this little dually bopper here is gonna light up green at the end. Which means the hard part is we have to stop. Okay, see, B is connected to... You know, I could just disconnect this, right? Okay, so we found one number. Unfortunately, I have to reset because we already found the number for A. So we can try and see. Okay, so B is 12. B12. But A was already found, so we have to start over. I like that I could just like disconnect that. Okay, so this is interesting. I'm gonna reset. And all right. So this is very, very... I wonder if the numbers are the same. Okay, we've got A. A is 3. Oh, we missed A because we are on delays. So we have to go back and start over because oh my god, you know I could. Tony, why are you making me sound not smart? I totally can. No, it's fine. No, that's okay. You know, for that, I'll reconnect the alarm. Just for that. Because I didn't even think about that. Okay, so now I think I understand. No, I think I understand my role. My role is to manage the chaos by... Okay, so we're going to reset. I'm not participating in the number in the chat typing at all. I am managing the chaos. Once the number is hit, I have to disconnect the wire. So, yeah, just... Now I have to watch very carefully. The minute any of these flag green, I gotta turn them off. Gotcha. Oh, okay. Oh, aha. Oh, did I miss B? I might have, because it changes every time. Oh, did I miss it? Now I also understand the alarm. The alarm is to throw me off. I have got to hand it. I've got to hand it to the dev. That's brilliant. Like, yeah, like that's brilliant. Like, oh yeah, no, the alarm is just for chat to mess with you. Oh, actually, sorry. Okay. All right, we have a generator. Thank you. I need power one more time. And I think that will do it. I'd say we're getting better at this, but the amount of chaos is the same, and I'm fine either way. Oh, okay, so I see up here. Up here I've got 7, 3, 5. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, so I've got, up here I've got 7, 3, and 5. 7 green, 3 red. Sorry, 3 yellow, and 5 red. I've got a generator here. I don't know what these do. Let's see if we can figure out what's in one of these cases. Okay, so green. Oh, are they? Oh, shoot. Let me take myself out of the equation. Okay, green. Okay, so there's TV and then there's boom. Oh, okay. Yeah, that seems like it's perfect. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do this. I got what a beautiful cable, sizes and everything. So I think that's for making a cable very long. All right, so this one's green, this one's yellow, and this one's red. If I hit reset, okay, I know on the, let me try this. There it is. Okay. So let's leave TV alone. And we need to get 3 yellow, 5 red, and 7 green. So I don't know how to spell green. Sure. I will do the last yellow. And then one more green should do it. Yes! Okay, so the TV would change channels over and over again until we got to the status screen that we had to match with the colors. Clever. Clever. Thankfully, that needed less coordination than Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta. This is ridiculous and cute, and I'm kind of here for it. Okay, so we can... Okay, so here's how the robot works. You generate the robot with this power junction. You give it... you can give it the move forward order with this one, and then you can turn it around with this one. So... let's see. Oh, that's dangerous. But wait, what's that for? Okay, hold on. I did something. Oh, that is... okay. All right, now I get it. Okay, so... hey, 7 of 6. Welcome on in. All right. So... this... okay. All right. Okay. 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 Let me let the robot through the door. So now energy will let it move forward. Yeah, this might not work well the first time. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna need it to turn. Okay. Turn around. Because I think it's facing... yep, okay. Hey, Gamey, welcome on in. Yeah, this is fun, is getting to coordinate the switch off. So I think we need one turn. And then energy. Hey, Mandy, welcome on in. Okay, and then another energy. I keep saying energy, and I think about the Schoolhouse Rock song, Energy. So let's see here. Move it forward. Okay, so it can sit on top of that. All right. Okay. Hold. All right. Let's get our friend all the way across this with some energy. Can I get some energy and hype in chat? So we're gonna need quite a lot of energy to get this across. Okay, now we need to turn it. And now we need more energy, and I will hold this one closed so our friendo doesn't get hurt. As soon as we get it facing, if we can get it facing the right direction and moving, we'll be good to go. This is fantastic. This is so good. I love how it's like hesitant when it moves too. It's like, oh. I'm not going to let you fall into acid. I will hold this button down until the end of time. Oh, yes! This is truly, truly ridiculous. Oh no. Oh dear. Okay, so we generate the robot. It can move forward with a command of energy. I can open this door, and this door, and then that. But what I don't know is what happens when that happens. I guess we'll figure out when we get there. Oh, they're elevators. Oh, oh. So I have the ability to take the elevators back down. Okay, let me let you through. Sorry about that. This is going to be tough. Okay, so this is going to raise it up. So let's go forward. And then have a number 2. That's okay. Oh, so it actually brings it back down. Oh, so, oh, this is even better. Okay, so I can do that. You raise me up. Okay, and if we walk forward once... I also like the streamer's ability to just turn off the power to something. Like, y'all are causing too much chaos, I'm turning it off. Okay, and then if we move forward one more... Actually, we can move forward all we want now. This is kind of fun and ridiculous. And I love it. This is... Oh. Oh. Okay, chat. You now have control of the doors. I am sure this will be just fine. Alright, I'm trying to see here. Is there anything underneath me? There isn't. Okay. Okay, so this is something I can add or remove. So... yeah, what happens when... oh, you typed left. Is it case sensitive? Okay, so it is case sensitive. Oh, no, it's not. No, my bad, it's not. Okay, so Mikado showed that if we type right, these doors move this way. If we type left, they move back this way. Oh. They have... I see what happened. They flipped it on us. They flipped it on us. I am the one in control of moving it forward. Although I could probably change that. No, I can't change... okay, so I'm the only one who can control the thing moving forward. Oh my goodness. Okay. So door A will let us through. And I can actually hold this down, so so we want door A to open. We want to keep it left. Then when we get to the midpoint, we want to shift it right. And open door B. And now I believe we want to shift it left. Thank you very much. And I believe we shift it right one more time. Now, before I do this, I also want to point out there's all these connections that I could have disconnected. Like, if for whatever reason there were people who were like, I'm going to troll this person's Linkito game, I could just disconnect this and leave it permanently there. You know? I could also connect a power... I could take door A and connect door A to that, so now everybody could make the thing turn around. I'm not going to let you do that. But, so I also appreciate that you can try to troll me, but I can also troll you. I could change where these connect, and then all of a sudden left and right might not mean the same thing anymore. What I can't do is I can't change the command. Okay, so let's get our buddy out of here. I don't know how many more levels we have. Probably don't have that many. Oh. What? Oh, you can all mess with me, and I can mess with you. We're going to do this one again, because I think I see what's going on here. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely going to do this one again. Is it not? Wait, is it not? It's definitely tracking your... Okay, hold on. Alright, hold on. Let's reset this one. Okay. So... it's doing the starters like, oh, take care, Sonia, have a good one. It's doing the, all right, countdown. Now, I can click move and you can type move to make our little buddy move forward. I have the option to, we all have the option to change the doors. So the doors will, if I click the doors, it does that. If you lock me out, then I have to click unlock to unlock all of my things. What's interesting is my movement is much, much slower than if you just type move. Okay, so if I do doors, that's going to switch the doors. So y'all need to... Oh, who locked me out? Y'all are rude. Alright, well, I'm unlocking myself, and I'm switching the doors. Because we're going to get through this at the same time, or close. Oh, rude. Hey, Puddle Glum, welcome on in. Try doors to switch the doors. There you go. You've locked... you played yourself, chat. Oh, no. It really is. It really is. Also, everybody is putting in the commands at the same time, which is why it's so good. Not cry. You booped me out. And locked me out, too. Alright, I said we're getting through this at the same time. Yep. Or close to the same time. Locking me out. Rude. Oh my gosh, you're locking me out? Number of interactions, 225. So this is teaching me also a lot about the delay. My own delay of going out and your delay in being received. So this is interesting. But the delay adds more chaos to things. Also the lack of like coordination. I mean I'm trying to think. Did anybody watch the anime Kakaguri, the compulsive gambler anime, where they basically were talking about people coordinating plans without actually talking to each other? It's like that. Okay, I don't know what we're doing yet. Okay, I have a button to move my little guy forward. You can turn him around. Okay, slide changes this. It looks like it's permanent power as well. What I don't understand is how do I turn off the doors? How do I turn off the lasers? All right, let's try moving them forward. Oh, they move fast. Okay, so... Yep. You've turned me around. Okay, so we'll need to turn. All right, and that's okay. Okay. I've got them right where I want them. Now, if we do the slide, it should... Okay. Oop. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Okay. I'm still confused about, like, unless there's a part of this board I'm not seeing, I don't know how to turn the lasers off. But I guess we'll figure out that laser when we come to it. Oh. Cash? Maybe we leave the hey Maridu. Okay. Let's try opening that cache one more time. See what we're working with. Because that was slightly terrifying. Okay, so we've turned it. I'm going to move forward. And now I think I need a number... Yep, I need a number 1 and a number 2. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know why it keeps giving you boom in chat. I'm a little concerned by that. Why does it keep asking you to type boom? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, wait. Hold on. Okay, I can put power to each of them. A, B, oh god. Oh god. I love oops, worth it and not me. That's awful. Okay, so let's see if if we power. All right, hold on. Got it. Okay. So keep the switches on. All 3 are powering. There's a power out here that can only go here. Oh my goodness. So let's see here. Let's try. Oops. Worth it. Not me. Doesn't seem to have done anything. Am I missing something? Okay, all 3 are connected. Okay, so right above me, or rather, yeah, right here is my power out, and then up there is the only place I can put it in to detonate. When you type in oops, worth it, or not me, it does power each of them. on a temporary, like, you know, this puts temporary charge. And it says it's got power. What happens if I turn these all off? Nothing. Power to A, power to B, and power to C. That's... oh, no, it's all good. Yeah, this game is... okay, so those don't do anything. It feels like we need to power all three at once. The problem is I'm not sure... yeah, A, B, and C... huh. The thing is, we had all three powered at once, and it didn't seem to do anything. Unless there's something I'm missing. Like there's a what looks like a button back here. Okay. Because I can't affect any of these other connections. So it's got to be something here. So, all right. We got an oops. We got a worth it. And we got a not me. Another oops. Another worth it. Another not me. Okay. They're all powered. So am I missing something? Okay. We definitely had all three running power to it. So I'm definitely missing something. I can't affect any of these. I can't change what these are connected to. I'm unable so far to mess with the button here. Like, I was hoping it would be a button as well. This little spinny doodad's cute as well. No, that's a... yeah, that's... let's see, if we try boom again. Yeah, no. Detonate? No. There's a light on the right of the bomb that isn't lighting up. Okay. Oh! No, that's... sorry. Actually, yeah, this connection here doesn't appear to have power. No. I mean, I can try running it through this to see if that does it. Okay, we'll try this one more time. Oops. Worth it. Not me. Because I'm unable to cut... I can't change red wires. I don't know. I might look this one up. See if anybody else has gotten the same thing yet. Doesn't look like it. All right, this one may have to be a mystery for a while. Am I able to connect yellow to any blue? Currently, no. Since this one has the output, it can only be connected to this. All of the rest of these, because they have red wires connected, I can't change or affect the connections of red wires. So all of these are pretty much set. The only thing I can do is I can flick these switches so I can keep power from going. So if I typed in worth it now... Oops. Hey, Juliencito, welcome on in. If I type worth it, it just, you know, it just sends power, but no power goes in because I still have this switch turned off. I don't have a way of connecting anything else, so I am unsure. I was trying the things from the previous... No. It is a tricky one, and as much as I appreciate it, I'm not sure what to do. So I shan't sit here and be stumped. Let's see if we can go back to the level selection. Okay, so yeah. So this was the one we were on. And that got us, essentially that got us down to that. But yeah, Linkito is really cute. It is a puzzle game that we're currently playing the Twitch integration. So chat can actually affect things in the game. But basically you're kind of putting together logic puzzles. You're connecting circuits, you're controlling robots and things like that. And there's a little bit of a story to it. And it's very cute. However, this one sort of got me a little like, you know, like you type things in chat and you're able to, like, thankfully Twitch Cat can affect things in game. We have a little robot buddy who we're trying to get through this. We're trying to get through this. I think instead of boom, thank you. Instead of boom this time, let's just see if we can get it through the level and see what happens. But I appreciate that they snuck some secrets in there for us. No worries. Okay. So don't type boom. Instead, let's just turn the thing around and let's see if we can just finish the level and see what happens. No boom, please. I appreciate that it's still like, are you sure you don't want to type boom? Are you sure? You sure you're sure? You sure? Okay. Well done. You've finished this experimental campaign. This is just the beginning, but it shows the overall concept. Feel free to give me feedback on Discord. Okay, so chat can still type things. Aw. Congratulations. This chat has exclusive... Wait, this chat? Exclusive? First to test the campaign. Oh! I don't know if... Are we the first to do it? Congratulations. I like the fireworks. Yeah, congratulations. Hey.